How you doing? My name is TreniuS Henderson. You're tuned into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So I'm about to tell you some things that could be blocking you from manifesting money. If you waiting on some money to come, you've been trying to use the law of attraction to get more money. Yeah, I got something that I'm about to let you know right now. Hey, what's up? My name is TreniuS Henderson. I'm a life coach. I am your life coach, and what I do is teach people how to law of attract and manifest anything that they want. Okay? So, the thing that you have to realize about money is that you attract more money by leveling up. You attract more money by getting rid of like the old baggage and some of the things that might be keeping you back, that your intuition is telling you, hey, you gotta stop doing this. You need to stop doing it. You need to stop doing it. I can remember like yesterday, man, and I was feeling pity of myself while I was in the situation I was in, why I couldn't attract money. I was just really wondering like what was happening. Why was I put myself in this position to where it's like, I cannot get enough money. You know what I'm saying? Every time I would get new jobs, it'll still be paying me barely enough, and I could never like enjoy my life and like do the things that I really wanted to do. And I began to like ask myself, like, what is it? What is it? You know what I found out? First things first, in order to like attract money in your life, you got to start taking responsibility for your own actions. And when I say that, what I mean is your current situation and the stuff that you're dealing with right now. If you think that you're in a situation that you don't deserve to be in, you deserve to be in there, to be honest with you, because you put yourself in that situation. All the choices that you made led up to two shoestrings having to be in a knot together. You see what I'm saying? So a lot of people like to blame other people. A lot of people like to say, they the reason why I'm in this position. It's my mama's fault. It's my daddy's fault. But the truth is, you got free will to make things happen and to do anything that you want to do, to set yourself up for success, to set yourself up to have more money. And so I can remember times where I didn't have enough money and I would have to like go and find a better job. I would have to find a more better paying job than the job that I was at, because I know the lifestyle I wanted. I know how I wanted to live. I know how I saw myself really living. It takes you consistently making an effort towards your desired goal, and it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough, but I guarantee you, if you able to like stop doing a lot of things that you do right now that you're not supposed to do, it's a tough pill to swallow. But if you're not supposed to do things that your intuition is telling you that's holding you back, you gotta go ahead and make power moves. If you're in a relationship right now and it's not good, it's toxic, y'all don't get along, it's always arguing, y'all have more negative moments than y'all do positive moments, you gotta get out, because that's keeping money from attracting to you. No good can come to you. No money can attract to you if your energy is not high, in a positive high vibration. So you gotta think about all the things around you that is keeping your vibration down. You know what I'm saying? Just think about it. You know what those things are. You know it. So you gotta let some things go, man. That is baggage and is holding you down. It's keeping your vibration, low, because you want to go somewhere, but it's like you still want to keep up with the Joneses, still want to hang with certain friends that ain't doing nothing with their life. You know what I'm saying? You got to let that go in order to attract more money so that you'll have a higher vibration. I remember one of the things that I had to let go that I used to like to do, was smoke. I love to smoke Mary J. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would smoke Mary J every single day, and I felt like I could not live without smoking some of the good old green, man. You know what I'm saying? Look, it started taking my money from me. I wasn't able to go buy some of the things that I wanted to buy. No new shoes, no new clothes. It was either I'll smoke me a blunt or I get me some new clothes. And I had to understand this. I'm like, why am I doing this? Why am I spending my money on buying something that I feel like it's helping me, but you don't really need nothing to enhance the human body? To each his own. If you smoke, that's cool. But that was one of the things that I had to let go, that I couldn't handle, because it was messing up my finances. See, there's some people out there that can smoke and it don't mess up your finances. To each his own. But if you know it's something that you're doing that's keeping you from attracting more money in your life, you gotta stop it. Another thing that could probably be keeping you from attracting money is, the things that you're putting in your body. The things that are not good for you, and so those are the things you're gonna have to stop eating. Eating is very essential when it comes down to your vibration and attracting money. Okay? You have to have a good, healthy body in order to stay in a high vibration to attract a whole lot of money. Otherwise, you're gonna always feel depressed. You're gonna always feel sluggish. You're never gonna have a smile on your face because you're like, oh my God, I need some sleep. You know what I mean? Like, cause I'm not getting enough rest. Certain foods don't allow you to have good night's sleep. I had to learn that on my journey. And so I changed up my diet and I started to feel better. I started to feel more radiant. I started to have energy to be able to come out, make videos, go home, talk to my clients, all my beautiful RIM teamers out there, all you, and then get back up and continue to make this happen every single day. But I had to let go of hanging out at the club all the time. I had to let go of going to the bar every other day to have me a drink. I had to let go of spending my time playing my PlayStation. So ultimately, when you really think about it, the thing that's really keeping a lot of people from attracting a lot of money is that high level of energy. A lot of people don't have a lot of energy, but they don't realize that they putting their energy into things that's stealing their energy, that's taking their energy, that's taking their time. It's stopping the progress of them being able to grow in life and to be able to level up. Another thing that could be blocking you from attracting money into your life is not having a relationship with money. You got to be the type of person that you really know that you're going to get money. You have to think that every day. I know so many people along my journey who I used to be friends with, and it's like they had this horrible relationship with money where they was always talking about how it's not enough money, to go around for everybody. They're broke. They would say words like, I'm broke, or, that is too expensive, or, man, look what the rich people got. The rich people get to drive a Mercedes, or, it was always like they was keeping themselves apart from the flow of abundance by just talking negative on money, talking negative about people that have money and just seeing everything as separate from themselves when it came down to money. And so I had to realize that truth. And I started to say, yo, why I gotta live my whole life, feeling financially stressed? And so I had to change the way I was talking about money, And so if you feel like you're in a state of mind right now where you could do a little bit better with changing how you talk about money, how you think about money, how you imagine who should have money and who is worthy enough to have money. Money can go to anybody if they got the right energy. If you have the right vibration, you can have just as much money as Bill Gates. You can have a lot more money than Oprah. If you got the right mindset, if you got high levels of energy, and you just get rid of all the things that is keeping you back. All the things and the people that's keeping you back that you're not supposed to do, that make you feel bad, but you continuously do it anyway. That's what I'm talking about, folks. And I know that you got some things that make you feel a little bit, icky at times, because I used to. I used to do things that made me feel like, man, why am I doing it? But I would do it anyway because in the moment it gave you a thrill. It gave you a high. You know what I mean? And some of the times I was out hanging with the girls and stuff like that, and I would have a girl over here and a girl over there and stuff like that, and it make you feel good in the moment. I felt good, dang, man, I'm really doing something. I'm a confident gentleman. I'm a real man, because I can get all these girls. But the truth was that it was draining my energy. It was draining my energy. They was taking my money. They was taking my money. I was finding myself going to the movies every weekend to watch the new movie that comes out. I was finding myself going to buy jewelry, and get them things to show them that I was the big dog. But I had to let that go, and I had to stop doing that in order to level up. And don't you know, as soon as I stopped doing some of those things, or most of those things, folks, that's when I saw my bank account go up. That's when I was able to take care of myself. That's when you're going to have more energy. That's when you're going to feel positive about life. That's when your vibration going to increase, and that's when you're going to start attracting all the things that's been trying to get to you, but it could never get to you because you was probably busy doing things that you're not supposed to be doing. Okay, so these are the things that could be blocking you, in order to attract money in your life, folks. It's really simple. It's really simple. It's just the flick of the switch in your mind to be able to say, you know what, I'm gonna just stop doing things that I don't want to do, and I'm gonna start living the life that I know that I want to live deep down inside my heart. And I just gotta go straight forward. I gotta go straight after it. And that's how you gotta think. And then you'll notice money just comes to you so easy. People just be giving you money because they see you doing good things. They see a smile in your people like to give currency, their own currency out their pocket, to people that make them happy. And that's how people are. People gotta give, they're gonna invest into something of a high vibration because they know they're gonna make a profit after, or they know they're gonna get their money back. And so that's all you gotta do. These are the things that block you from keeping money. And if you can go into a quiet space after this video and just think about everything that you're gonna quit, after this video, and you just do it, you will be rich. Without the shadow of doubt, you will be amazingly rich. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I'm TreniuS Anderson of the infamous Living Realm Network. I am your life coach. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a nice comment below and let me know, was it some things that was keeping you from attracting money in the past? Let us know. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Tell us your story of some of the things that you got over on your journey and put you in a position to where you can have, a little bit more money than you used to have, okay? So comment below. And if this video resonated with you folks, give this video a thumbs up to signify that you're gonna stop doing everything that's blocking you from attracting money, okay? If you wanna watch another video, folks, just click this little icon right here. That's me up there. Click that little icon right there. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you press the bell notification so that you be notified with new videos every 24 hours that I upload. Jeez, it's hot out here. Also, if you want to watch another good video, check this video out right here. This is another video on some of the things that could be holding you back from attracting money into your life. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.